If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can create many different types of layers in Elements. An image layer, often simply called a layer, is the most basic type of layer. You can create layers using images themselves, or you can create a blank layer and then place an image onto it. Adjustment layers are layers used to correct contrast and color in the underlying image. When you create an adjustment layer, you make changes to that layer without permanently affecting the original pixels. Adjustment layers create a layer mask that lays on top of the layer. This allows you to apply the adjustment to the layers below it, or even blend two layers together. To create an adjustment layer, click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button in the Layers panel. Choose your preferred adjustment from the drop-down menu. Make your changes in the panel that appears, and then close the panel when finished. Note that you can also add a layer mask directly to a layer by clicking the Add Layer Mask button. Fill layers let you add a layer with a solid color, pattern, or gradient. Creating a fill layer also creates a layer mask just like an adjustment layer does. To create a fill layer, click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button in the Layers panel. Then choose a solid color, gradient, or pattern from the drop-down menu. Make your changes, and then click the OK button. Shape layers are layers where you have created a vector-based shape. To create a shape layer, select any of the shape tools, which will be discussed later, in the toolbox, and then click and drag within the image file to draw a shape. If you have a blank image layer selected, then the shape will be placed into the layer. If not, a new shape layer will be created automatically. Type layers are created by adding type or text to your image. Type will also be discussed in greater detail in the next chapter, but adding type is quite easy. Click into an image after selecting a type tool, and then start to type. If you have a blank image layer selected, the text will appear in the layer. If not, then when you click the Commit button that appears, you will then create a new type layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.